Okay, I'm gonna go over very quickly how to add new images into accounts. Let's see if I have a test account. Okay, I do. So I'm gonna press edit, and then I'm gonna scroll down here, and we're no longer using this image section here. So I'm gonna remove these from this test account so that's not confusing. So you'll scroll down here to settings for the display, and you'll see that it says add widget. So we're going to click add widget. And what this is going to enable us to do is, if we need to, we're going to really be able to build out the account details pages for individual accounts. So let's go to, I'm just going to show you what page I'm talking about for design purposes. And this is not a good one. I'm going to make this a much longer system than I needed to. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so we switched up the display, and so now the main account information shows here, the name, the address, the website, all of that, then your description and your amenities, and then in between the amenities and the floor plans and the map, you can now customize whatever information it is that you want to put in here. So you could put another description, you could put image galleries, you could put headers, we can do a lot more with these pages, and make them a little bit more robust, which is going to be good for the accounts, good for SEO, and just good for us in general. So back to this. You're going to press add widget, and if you want to add a photo, you're going to create a photo and video gallery. So you'll click this, and then you'll see that you need to press save so that you can begin adding selections. Then you'll press add item, and you'll see this little blurb pop up here. You can add a YouTube video by getting the YouTube ID, which is, this is not your YouTube account, but I will show you where the ID is. Maybe. This right here, once you get to a YouTube video, this is the ID that we would need to pop in. So I could copy this and paste it in here, and then this would have the video on it. The one thing we're working on is you have to select an image to be the overview for the video. We're working on how we might be able to pull that from YouTube to save you guys a step, but so far that we haven't been able to get that up and running. So I'm gonna just click this, put this over here, I'm gonna press save. And my internet is going slow because I'm trying to do a demo. So then I'll go down here, I'll press select photo, and then I'm going to add an item, because now I don't want a video, I just want to add an image. So I'm just going to press select image, press OK, and I'm going to go in maybe to the, well, this one is very small, I'm not going to do that. Okay, let's try our favorite fireworks picture. Press OK. I'll do a crop. I'll press save. By the way, this error is just telling you that the image that you're doing is technically smaller than the crop you're creating. And that's mostly, as we were talking about, a problem for Retina displays. You can still save it and it will look fine on most screens. I think about 10% of people have Retina displays, and it might look a little bit grainy for them. So best case scenario, you can get a larger image, because larger is better, because then Dusty can crop it down and get all the different sizes, and then we're sure we have the best possible image. But in some cases, we can't do that, and that's okay. So anyways, now I have a video in here, I have a photo, I can add as many photos and videos as I want. I will press save, and then I'll go back to the builder, and I'll see that I have this widget in here. And then this widget will appear like this here. This particular one only has images, but if you had a video, it would display in there. So that is how you add images now to accounts.